Good afternoon, guys. I'm back at the tunnel now. Got my trail cam 1 set on the other side. Just set trail cam 2 in here. If anything comes in, I'll set trail cam 3 at the other end. So I've got every end cornered. I just got some plaster paddis and took some paw prints. So just wait for them to dry. And I'll be back with you shortly, guys. Yeah, set trail cam 2 there. Going all the way down, so anything come in here. Last time I caught the tail, but I tried a different trail cam this time. So hopefully this one might pick her up better. I can't put it up any higher, which is because there's no way of tying it on. So that's the best I can do. But I should leave it and see what's what. There's trail cam 1 there, guys. Just at this end of the tunnel. So anything just coming through like last time. Should get it. I put some cat biscuits down here as well, so hopefully low, whatever in. Yeah, this is trail cam 3. I've got this at the other end of the tunnel. I've got one in the tunnel and one at the other end. So if anything comes through, hopefully should get it. And hopefully all the trail cams work this time. Tried to do some casts, guys. You can see a bit of a print in them, but because it's on sand, it's very hard to make out. I've got to clean these up yet. I think I wrecked that one. But this one here, see that print there? I don't know if you can make it out on his one here, direct register. So I'm going to put that in there and cover that. I'm going to clean it when I get in. And there's one here as well. Started making the paw out, but I don't want to break them, so I'm going to get in. When I get in, I'm going to get a toothbrush on him and just clean them up. So I'll see you all soon. Goodbye, everyone. This is my favourite one from today. It's very cat-like. If you can look, it looks like 2 paws have gone over each other, where the back leg has followed the front one. It's called direct register. Today's that one there, you can see it's all there, and a pad. And then I've got this one here, it looks like direct register. And this one here, it didn't really come out too well either. But you can make out the pad and the toes, but it was on sand and there was loads of dirt around and little bits of stones, like you can see here, stuck to it. So it wrecked them, but that's the best one, the direct register one. I think this one here, you can see the pad and the toes, that's a badger. The rest look like cats, but some of them I can't make them out at all. But I'm happy with that one I got, the direct register. I think that one looks quite cool. Hi guys, this is the feral from last week that I got on the trail cam. I sat there and thought I'd watch it for a while to get used to see what it was like on the thermal. Doing, guys, I'm just there now. Just come at the trail cam 1 still there. Just gonna sneak in the tunnel, see if anything's in it. Here that now, trail cam 1. Gonna check that now, then run over and check the other 2. Guys, I just checked trail cam 1, there's only a cat, a black and white cat on it. What I've gone and done here, I've gone and bought 2-sided tape. So what I'm going to do is, here where it's entering, I'm just going to put the tape across the top there. So hopefully, if any big cats go through, hopefully catch some hers. Right guys, what I've done here, put two-sided tape here, straight across. It's tucked underneath as well onto the bar, so anything goes through. Hopefully I should get her off it. Now to the next camera. I've just done it here at the other hole as well, just gone across the nut underneath. So yeah, everything goes under there. Obviously sticks to it, anything sticks to it. So we'll get some hair analysis and hopefully get some DNA. It's the only way we can do it, guys.
It's going to be hard with all the ferals around to get ID. But obviously, I'd wait till I see one on the camera first, on the trail camera, should I say. Once that goes through, and hopefully the tape might have got there some DNA. Well, that's the plan, guys, anyway. Let's see how it unfolds.
So I set two up here, so I just looked on it, then I've had a few domestics on it. So I'm going to keep it out a bit longer, see if anything else comes. Going to go and set the trail cam free, you know. Right guys, I just checked the trail cam free. It's got a few cats on it, but no big cats, I'm afraid. Look, all domestics. But I've recorded them anyway, and I've saved them to my phone, so I'm going to look through them when I get home. And I'm going to leave this here for a few more days. I've just changed it to medium instead of high. And the sensitivity, because it was picking up a lot of blank pictures. But it did get a good few cats, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'm going to go and have a look around now with the binoculars. Following this game trail now. It's just perfect, this place for them. Got long grass to hide in, high elevation for them to look down on the prey and ambush the prey. Nice and quiet. Barely anyone comes here, but they do. So that's why I've got to be careful with my cameras. Yeah, guys, on my way home now. Just checked all the trail cams. Got the footage of it, what's on it now. So I'm going to add that on the video. But I'm going to come back in a few days. Oh, bloody hell. Nearly went then. Yeah, come back in a few days and see what's what then. Like I said, I put the sticky stuff on this on the hole, two-sided tape, so anything goes through, hopefully we should catch them here. So, till then, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Good afternoon, guys. Just getting to the destination now. So, I've got to go and get the trail cams. And I'm going to get them in. I left them here last week. I did come in the midweek, checked on, and then there was a load of feral cats. I did put some sticky side tape on the bottom just in case I did see a big cat go through. I can then see if there's any hair stuck to it. But yeah, we're nearly there now, guys. So yeah, be with you shortly.
Few rabbit holes. One there. There's one there.
Good food to be sourced.
There's one over here. That looks like really new. That one.
Might set some trail cams around here, and then what my plan is, if the rabbits are here running here, if anything's chasing it, I might be able to catch it on cam.
Yeah, put a camera.
And it's a nice clear area here. And these holes are just in the middle of nowhere, so just got to trail cam 1, it's been stolen. So me and now at trail cam 2 it's here. But I have to go and check the freeze here. And I'll be back with you. Right guys, just got trail cam 2. Yeah, one's I think it's definitely stolen, there's nowhere to be seen. But I did get someone on trail cam 2, so I'm gonna proper have a good look who it was. Who it was is rub my trail cam and we'll expose them. But till then, let me just get this one down and I'll look through that one properly and I'll let you know what's going on. Just got the trail cam 3, that's here. But yeah, I'm going to go through now, but I'm not happy about trail cam 1. Just showing you where I put the sticky stuff on. And it has worked, it has got hurt, but obviously not unfair to her. But it's got some here as well. I'm going to see it before, some fox hair, I think it is. Look at someone from the trail cam. Can't even say what's gone through here, so it's a shame really. Yeah, I had a good look around and that, but there's nothing, we can see anything standing out and such. gone over the field to the thermal, and just had a good look around. But yeah, got the trail cams in, got a few cats and foxes, and a few culprits, trail camera thieving culprits. So yeah, I'll be showing a few. Obviously I can't put the kid on the screen, but I'll show it to a few people that I know. Maybe they might be able to ID him for me. So till then, I'll see you later. Goodbye.